Hello and welcome to my art channel. For this piece, I began with a black canvas. Using a dry sponge and titanium white, I gently tapped the paint onto the surface, softening it into the background. This creates a subtle base for the light to build on. Next, with a large flat brush and dark green, I shaped the distant trees, letting them fade softly into the horizon. By adding touches of yellow and red, the color shifts into a deep brown, perfect for building the slope along the riverbank. With lighter browns and a hint of orange, I highlight the raised areas, giving the ground its texture and form. For the water below, I chose a mossy green, creating the first reflections of the scene. Notice that in all of these steps, I don't thin the paint with water. The colors stay strong and vibrant on their own. You may have noticed after finishing one section, I move on to another before returning to add more detail. This is because I want each layer to dry completely before I continue. That way, the next colors stay fresh, bright, and full of life. Now, it's time to shape the trees along the river. Each one carries its own unique character. By adding small amounts of white, blue, yellow, and red, I adjust the tones so every tree has its own voice, standing out with colors of its own. I return to the water, adding subtle details that bring out its sparkle and gentle flow. Autumn always feels like a gentle reminder of change, how nature lets go so gracefully, covering the earth with golden leaves. Through painting, we can hold on to this fleeting beauty and keep it alive on the canvas. What I share here comes from my own personal experience, the little things I've learned along this joyful journey of painting. I know many of you are far more skilled and have your own unique approaches, and I would truly love to learn from you. Please feel free to share your tips and thoughts in the comments. It always inspires me to grow alongside you. Which season is your favorite? Do you enjoy the fresh blossoms of spring, the warmth of summer, the golden beauty of autumn, or the calm silence of winter? It always makes me happy to know what inspires you most. Layer by layer, I begin shaping the bushes and autumn foliage across the hillside. Each tap of the brush adds more texture, as if the land itself is slowly dressing in the colors of fall. Next, I move to the trees in the foreground. Their leaves appear larger and more defined, painted with warm tones of green, orange, and yellow. These brighter colors bring the trees closer to us, making them stand out against the softer background. With a small round brush and thinned paint, I sketch the trunks and branches of the foreground trees. The lines are delicate yet steady, giving structure to the canopy above. On the path, I scatter fallen autumn leaves, small details that remind us of the season's quiet beauty. Along the river's edge, I add the shapes of rocks resting by the water. Finally, touches of dry grasses and fine highlights complete the scene, giving the whole painting a more natural and lifelike feeling. Thank you for being here with me on this journey. If this autumn scene inspired you, please like the video and subscribe for more moments of color and creativity. And I would be truly happy to read your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Until we meet again, may the colors of each season bring warmth and inspiration to your heart.